What's going on, y'all? It's your boy JustoT. I'm back here with Deadspace. I just want to say something before I begin this gameplay. I think Deadspace is fucking up my views on YouTube because it's the most gruesome game I play, but although it is the most gruesome game I play and have played, it is my favorite game that I've played. Not favorite, I think Eastward is actually my favorite, but regardless, let's get into it, man. I hope everybody's having a great day. If you're a returning viewer but not a subscriber, I hope that you subscribe to the channel. Let's get into it. Last time we was here, we froze that beast. Sorry I burped. I didn't. Sorry. But we froze that beast, so we no longer have to deal with that motherfucker. And I think we're actually gonna go look for Nicole this time. So yeah. Where does it want me to go? It wants me to go to tram maintenance. Now where's tram? Okay, it says it right there. So we're going over to the hangar. Yes, I am sure. Maybe I missed something. Like maybe I'm leaving something behind, and maybe that's why it asked if I'm sure. Because I don't recall if it asked me if I was sure beforehand. But any other time, I mean.
Now arriving at flight deck tram control.
Alright, we're arriving at tram control. Let's see if something happens to me. I wonder which way I'm supposed to go. Oh, it's a store. Let's go to the store first, man. See if there's anything we could do. We unlocked, I got the suit, so there's a lot more inventory that I could have. Wait, no, storage? Oh shit, there's a lot more storage I got, not inventory. I'm not sure. Anyways, wait, do I got anything to heal myself? I do. What is that? Large medical pack. Good. Good. You know, I'm gonna rock out without anything. Which way do they want me to go? Tram station hall. Alright, I'm gonna go look and see if I missed something. Fuck it, I don't think I missed anything. Oh shit. How do I play again? Nah, we're gonna use this. Wait, where do they want me to go? Oh, okay, just go straight. Cool, we get a stasis recharge. Awesome. I say, what's all the noise? I'm gonna save just in case, so I don't be saving before the tram, because if I die, I'm gonna be mad. Go into the repair room. Oh yeah, we're going to hydroponics, that's right. What's up, cuz? Yeah, nah, y'all not gonna keep just rolling up on me like that. Sick of this shit. Don't be making all that noise, bruh. Did we get to go over here last time?
Isaac, if you're near hydroponics, check your helmet filters. That air's not safe to breathe.
Oh, man.
I smelled it. The whole deck's right.
I'm reading a huge mass in food storage. Too big to be anything they grew. It looks like the source of the poison gas. That patient in medical, he said something about creating an enzyme, right? Maybe the scientist left the workstation open.
Hey. So we about to deal with some fucked up air. Audio log.
Dr. Elizabeth Cross. Now that sprinklers are fixed, we're working close to maximum capacity. All flora is thriving and food yield has created a surplus. And I had the surplus packed up so we could send it to the colony. The Captain Matthias is strictly enforcing his no-fly order. It's ridiculous.
It is ridiculous.
Everyone knows Aegis 7 needs help. What harm could some fresh fruit do?
Now, it says gain access to the food storage, but why would I override station lockdown? I don't think I have a reason for that yet, so I'm just gonna keep on walking. It's nice and bright. I like that. I'll go in the bathroom. Let's see. This bathroom wasn't shut though. I didn't like that. Alright, moving on. We gotta create the enzyme is now the objective. Making my way downtown, walking fast. Okay, something on the floor. Now, is this a trap? Now, come on now. They knew what they were doing. That shit should not sound like that. That's crazy. We're going to the sapling room. Do not remove produce. Uh-oh. Oh, that was the door.
Gordon Loop. His doctor listed
Oh shit! I really thought she was here.
Turn back. It's all gone. Everything we grew. My team. All dead. That monster. Please, leave. Get somewhere safe. If I can find a way to kill it somehow. Jacob, if you're hearing this, you know I have to try.
Like, look at me when you talking to me. Alrighty. I don't know who the fuck that was. I forgot. I don't know if I ever knew.
Warning. Liquid nitrogen supply depleted.
Okay. We got another store already. I'm gonna search around first. Okay. I may have enough credits to get the new upgrade. I don't. I fucking don't. I was trying to get my inventory up, but I guess it don't really matter.
Liquid nitrogen supply depleted.
Listen, bitch, I heard. I fucking heard. To the food storage. Oh, maybe I shouldn't go here yet. I just figured if it's unlocked, maybe I should try it out before I go to put the liquid nitrogen in. But I don't know. Hold on, let me go back to the store, bro. I feel like I should take something. I accidentally sold my fucking bullets. But I do have enough to get this fucking... I did not want to get the suit for no reason, but I guess I'm gonna get the suit now. And I mean, not for no reason, but at the expense of my bullets. That's not what we do. Gee whiz, man.
Liquid nitrogen supply depleted.
Let's put the liquid nitrogen in here so this shit shuts the fuck up.
Liquid nitrogen replenished. Beginning enzyme synthesis.
That means something bad about to happen.
Enzyme synthesis complete. Caution. Do not
Oh.
ingest.
I just assumed something bad was about to happen.
Any luck?
Yeah, I finished the enzyme. It's been modified to digest something big.
They must have been trying to kill whatever's in food storage. Let's hope it works.
Alright. So, I guess it was good that I didn't go to food storage first. Cause this shit opened like a motherfucking... I don't even know what I was gonna say there.
No. Go back. There's no way into food storage. Even if there was, the Leviathan would devour you.
You're Elizabeth Cross, right? This Leviathan. Is that what's poisoning the air?
The air. My team, it's destroyed everything. I designed a special enzyme to kill it. I just needed liquid nitrogen to complete the synthesis. But the people I sent to medical never came back.
I've got some of that enzyme here.
Oh my god. How? Listen, we need to inject it into the Leviathan. You can't get it to food storage, but there's another way. It's risky.
Riskier than running out of air?
My team has been altered. They're all connected to the Leviathan, breathing out its toxins. That connection goes both ways.
Okay. So if I get to your team and inject them...
The enzyme will be carried right into the Leviathan's heart. Bind the WHEEZERS. End their suffering. And when the Leviathan is weak enough, we vent the bastard into space.
She made it sound easier than it is. Alright, well, can't do that shit. Inject the WHEEZERS. Alright. Inject WHEEZER 1, 2... How many? Bro, there's 8 WHEEZERS. Where are these wheezing bastards at? Oh, damn. Let's get on it. Now, what the fuck is that? I guess I gotta be wary of that? Okay. Come on, hurry up. Thought I was about to get sprayed. Good. So I got me some Ripper blades with some credits because I definitely needed that now. I'm fucking poor. Weapon upgrade, cool. Oh, it's for the Ripper. Good, that's good. Now I gotta open this and make sure I'm not gonna get sprayed. Oh, cool. Hurry up. Oh, hey, a workbench. That's what I'm talking about. I got all these nodes for no reason. Alright, I made some upgrades to the suit. Gave the Ripper its upgrade, and I also upgraded the line gun. I swear to God, this bet not be a node. Okay, cool. Yeah. Ready to move on. Who's about to spray? Alright, so this one gonna spray next. What's going on? Can I go in here? Oh no.
3 security clearance required.
Alright, that was easy enough to maneuver. I feel like any other time I would have got smacked by that shit though. Of course. Oh, okay. I like the Ripper, bruh. Oh. You already dead? My bad. Can't trust you motherfuckers. So we're going into the West Grow chamber. My goodness. Current greenhouse humidity is at 56.6%. That's too vast of a space. And there's a couple things where you could blow somebody up with. Something has to go down in here. Maybe not. I don't know. Fucking knew it. Where you at? Come here, you motherfucker. Oh! I got you. Are you immune? I got this motherfucker then. Hold on. Hold on, blood. I gotta figure out which gun. Ah, shit. Oh, yeah. Why didn't I do that? Come on, bro. Die slow. Nah, where you at? Because you're going to keep firing. Nah, hold on. It's going to stop you right there, ugly ass bitch. Motherfucker is... Come on. Alright. Am I good? Alright. No, I'm not. Fucking burning hell. Another one? Oh my goodness. Really, oh my goodness. Die. Alright. There can't possibly be any more left. I know I ain't. Okay. Okay. Like I said, can't possibly be nothing left. Okay, so I could have like been maneuvering on them. I ain't even peep. I had a weapon, couple more weapons I could have used. I'm gonna bring that one along. Where is that? I'm gonna bring that along with me, cause I can still use that motherfucker. Where am I supposed to be going, actually? Okay. No. What's over here?
Clearance confirmed.
Yeah, clearance confirmed. What's up? This better not be it. It's another weapon? Get this shit first. There's no way that this is another weapon. Focus energy and force gun. Jeez. Full arsenal. So that this is the last weapon then. Full arsenal is the trophy. I thought I changed it to where y'all could see the trophies, but I guess not. Alright, let's go equip that bad boy so that we can see what it does. Alright, force gun, a powerful range kinetic booster device. Hold L2 and then R2 with primary fire, and yep. Okay. I don't know what the rest of it said though. I don't know what else is there. Like, hold on, where is this going? To the West Grow chamber. Nah, I'm good. Is that where I came from? No, I came from... I don't know. I knew it! I know I heard your bitch ass! I didn't want to use that. Oh! I forgot the little bastards come out! Yeah, not today, bitch. I see you. Nah. Oh, okay, maybe he is dead now. Oh, that's why I was running. Forgot. I was trying to get this message first.
Security request retrieved.
Hello, security. This is Dr. Cross in hydroponics. Something just hit the hull near food storage. We think it's a rogue asteroid.
Fuck it, I'm gonna leave this shit.
Decompression. Medics and crowd control right away.
Detected.
That doesn't work. I tried. Get in close and try injecting the enzyme.
Is this the Wheezer?
The enzyme.
I didn't know this was the Wheezer. I wasn't listening to what that lady was saying. Man, he ain't gonna touch me. Oh shit. Nah, get burn. You're not burning quick enough, bro. This shit was about to piss me off.
Liz Cross again. I never asked your name.
Isaac Clarke, systems engineer.
Engineer. Have you seen Jacob Temple?
I haven't.
Jakob.
But I'm looking for someone too. Dr. Nicole Brennan.
Dr. Brennan. Doesn't she help people leave unitology?
Oh fuck, that's not what I wanted to do.
Mother. That's how we met.
I hope she's okay. The unitologists here didn't like anyone questioning them. And since the captain died, they've all snapped.
Jeez. It's like the Scientology people all over again. Alright, we're gonna go find the Wheezer number 2 and probably gonna be done at that point. I don't know. I don't know if I gotta... If I'm... Stop pressing the wrong button. I don't know if I'm gonna keep playing or not. 2 things came out of there? Hold on. Because I know I need to put that back. The horticulturalist? So it is another Wheezer.
Toxic hazard detected.
Nice to clear that shit up. Got a text log that I'm not gonna read. Who is it from though? The subject is organic growth to Dr. E. Cross. I thought I saw something else. Yeah, I did. Put that shit out the way. Credits. Like, give me that shit, damn it. Alright, so you know every time we help them out, something comes and fights us, so... Yeah, that bitch. I don't got time for that. Anybody else? Good. Well, I feel like if I go over here, I knew it. Ho. So I do have to go in here first, and then there's a room locked on the other side. Maybe it's another store. I don't think I got money. So something about the West refrigeration something core. Oh, what the fuck is that? Was I even? I thought little bastards came off of it. Why does it sound so extreme? Oh my goodness. Okay. Anybody else? Alright, so I gotta get rid of this gun for the time being because I don't have no bullets. Actually, hold on. Let's see if I gain bullets first. I think I just did. I did not. I was about to say, what's the point of coming over here? I didn't see this right here. Alright. Music is dramatic. Oh man, we got a save station. We're gonna go ahead and end it right here. So I think we did 2 WHEEZERS. We're gonna come back and do the rest of these WHEEZERS, man. We're still in the chapter 6, environmental hazard. Next time we come back, we're gonna try to get all the rest of the WHEEZERS and see where we go from there. But for the time being, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, I hope you liked the video. I hope you subscribe to the channel. If you made it this far, I really appreciate it, because yeah, I don't think YouTube liked this game too much, or maybe I gotta put like something on here about the gore, but I don't know. Anyways, I'll see you next time. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day.